What's up, y'all? This is a part 2 continuation, whatever the hell you want to call it, of my taillight saga debacle. Good news though, this time I actually went out and purchased a brand new set. So this will be the installation as well as reveal of my new taillights for the STI. This is a mod. I kind of said on the last vlog, I've been wanting for a very, very long time. Changes the entire look of the STI in my opinion. And another thing that's my opinion, but you guys probably don't give a fuck about, I really don't like the stock taillights on the STI. I think they look a little too basic, a little too NPC. So without further ado, let's go get that box. Let's open it up, see what we're dealing with, and go from there. Now, I don't want to make a super long clip about this, but to kind of put a long story short, I went on Marketplace, got some cheap taillights for the STI, the ones that I really wanted, but they were priced a little cheaper, and there was a reason for that. If you want the full, I guess, context of the situation, the last video will definitely kind of paint a picture for you. But long story short, they did not work. Like, the passenger side was not working during DRL. So I was like, you know what, maybe let me do some cool ass B-roll, but I guess I'll just do an unboxing because that's kind of cooler, right? Couldn't find any scissors or anything to open this up, so I'm just gonna use a screwdriver and I'm stab right through the fucking thing. Get this sucker open, yeah? Yeah. Pause. This might come in handy later in the video. Last video I said that I didn't have any experience putting them together, so I kind of just raw dogged it. This time I watched a few clips, and this seems to be a vital component as to what the issue was last time. Got some of this pink shit. Brand new taillights. Look at that. Oh, these suckers are so beautiful. I'll say this. I am addicted to Marketplace, but there's no greater feeling than getting new car parts. Like brand spanking new car parts, there's no greater feeling than that. Dope, so it seems like that is all that is in the bag, the box. You have an installation guide right here that I'm gonna briefly go over. Just kind of see what we're working with. Y'all might laugh at me, but this step right here might have been what was missing. The connect the taillight resistor and set resistor to metal area. When I had bought them from Marketplace from that dude, he didn't include the resistors. So that right there, I don't know, maybe the headlights I had worked, or taillights. I keep saying headlights for whatever reason. Let's get these suckers on. Let's just hope I got the right size. Sometimes I'd just be getting these and then I have to walk back like several times. I don't know what size it is. And I'm not no pro mechanic, shut up. It's a bingo. Satisfying feeling peeling off that plastic. This looks way too dark. I'm gonna move this around. Hold on. I'm gonna be honest, it was a major crisis averted situation. I dropped this, which screws that into place somewhere in the ether, but I found it somehow. This might have been the crucial step that messed me up the first time. Don't make fun of me, I didn't know. They weren't included. I'm not a tail guy technician, shut up. All right, let's start with the driver's side. Grab me a nice little towel, get that dust off. Woo. 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 I think before I do an actual like reveal, what I want to do is like take the car to get a bath, maybe give it a bath right now, and then after do some sick ass B-rolls somewhere, aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I got too excited for a second. I suppose I should check if it's working or not, right? I should do that before I get too excited. Let's do that. Fucking works, it works. Oh my God. Oh my. Ah. Let's check the hazards. Don't care. I don't care. These are the best looking taillights for the STI. I have no idea why people don't run these more often. Look. I need this car to I'm gonna give the car a bath and then I'll be right back and we're gonna film some sick ass clips. Sorry guys, I'm just so stoked about this. Alright y'all, I am outside of the car wash right now. It's windy and there's like vacuums going off, so I'm probably gonna keep this clip short. Here's the B-roll, the big reveal of the tail lights. Try to make this as cinematic and pretty as possible. Let me know what y'all think. Cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this mod, guys. I really cannot tell you how long I've been wanting taillights for this car. Just how I feel about these taillights and my excitement for it. I know for some of you guys it's not like the biggest upgrade in the world. It's not like I did an engine swap or anything like that, but if you take anything away from this video, I feel like the smaller mods can make you feel as stoked as the bigger mods. Full transparency, I just fell in love with my car all over again. It honestly feels the same as when I got my wheels, and the wheels was so much more of a bigger investment than the taillights. So the Spec D chrome red something, I will probably put a link on the description of this video of like what exact spec I got, but these taillights I've been eyeing since like 2017. They're like my favorite style taillights. I'm not a fan of clear tails. I said in the last video, it looks like a dead bug. I don't like them. I don't like clear tails. Sue me. These I feel like are perfect. They're perfect, they're tasteful, they're not too loud, but they're also a little aggressive. There's a little pinch of aggressive in it. I couldn't be more stoked, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you took anything away from it, or if you just want to talk shit, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I could not be more ecstatic about how these came out. It was super easy installation, and yeah, next video we'll see what we're gonna do with the STI next video. I do have something cooking though. I do have something cooking. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.